I'm Courtney Jones and I'm a PhD candidate at the School of Mathematics and Physics at the University of Tasmania. My project is, I suppose, the best way to describe it would be mapping the Milky Way. So what I'm doing is trying to calculate the distance between the Sun and Earth system to as many newborn stars as possible within our galaxy, the Milky Way. These newborn stars tend to hang around the spiral arms of the galaxy. So our hope is basically that if we have enough of these distances between us and these newborn stars, that we can basically dot the dot and trace out the spiral arms of our galaxy. Most things in space emit radio waves and we collect that information. So day, night, sun, hail, wind, rain, we can observe. It is pretty exciting. Obviously there are hundreds known, or thousands really, but we're looking at a patch of sky that nobody else has looked at since the 1980s. I have recently led an investigation with people from the United States, the CSIRO in Sydney and of course the University of Tasmania, and as a result of that we've just discovered 30 newborn stars in the Milky Way. Telescopes have got better, computers have got better, and so we're finding new ones, which is pretty exciting. Because of the University of Tasmania's telescopes, we get a lot of hands-on experience here that people at other universities just don't get. A lot of my friends moved to Sydney and Canberra, to the big universities over there, and they spent 6 months trying to fit in and trying to find a house and all of those sort of things, and I was already 6 months into research, so it made a lot of things easier. We have 6 radio telescopes operating around Australia in Tasmania, South Australia, Western Australia and the Northern Territory. That's well more than any other university, and I mean CSIRO uses our facilities all the time, as does NASA and other groups from around the world. We have the facilities, we have the people. A lot of the staff from the School of Maths and Physics have chosen to live in Tasmania and they've moved here from all around the world because of our facilities and because of our knowledge. Past graduates from the University of Tasmania doing radio astronomy have recently been employed in Chile and New Mexico at big international facilities. My PhD is up in about 6 months and I'm applying for jobs all around the world, and because of my experience from UTAS, I can apply for jobs anywhere I want. They're just given coordinate names, I'm afraid, so unless they get into the media and the public really loves them, they get a name like G333.7 plus 1.65. Yeah.